Hi gardening friends! Do you want to enjoy a massive asparagus harvest next year? Well, the secret lies in how you prune your asparagus plants right now. Stick with me, and I'll show you the perfect pruning method to boost your yields and keep your plants thriving for years to come. First, let's understand why pruning asparagus is so important. Asparagus is a perennial vegetable, meaning it comes back year after year. Proper pruning helps the plants conserve energy, stay healthy, and produce those tender spears we all love in the spring. Timing is everything when it comes to pruning asparagus. You'll want to wait until late fall or early winter after the first frost. By then, the foliage will turn yellow or brown, indicating it's done feeding the roots. Cutting too early can reduce the plant's ability to store nutrients for next year, so patience is key. Now let's gather our tools. You'll need sharp pruning shears to make clean cuts and gloves to protect your hands. And don't forget a rake or compost bin for cleanup. Now it's time to prune. Using your shears, cut each stem down to about 2 inches above the soil. Be careful not to damage the crown, the part of the plant just below the soil surface where new spears emerge. Cutting close to the ground keeps the bed tidy and prevents pests and diseases from overwintering in the old foliage. Once you're done pruning, it's time to clean up. Remove all the debris to reduce the risk of fungal diseases and asparagus beetles. A tidy bed sets the stage for a healthy growing season next year. Finally, give your asparagus plants some extra love by adding a layer of mulch. This protects the crowns from harsh winter conditions and helps retain soil moisture. Use straw leaves or wood chips for an effective and natural cover. And that's it. Pruning asparagus is simple, but it makes a huge difference in the health and productivity of your plants. Follow these steps, and you'll be rewarded with a bumper crop next spring. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips. Let me know in the comments if you've pruned your asparagus yet, or if you have any questions. See you in the garden.